And I'm not a contractor. There's no day I will come and say, come and give me contracts. And I will not join multitude to kill the innocent. I don't care what you are today. We have passed through it. For the rest of our life, I forget for long. Tababa governor Kokonsoro, Tababa say, ayo si lorun ni o. You see ní category elebi o. Omi tí ni wọ́n bá wà nínú àgbọn. Tán bá tún farabalẹ̀ gan, omi àgbọn yẹn wọ́n tún lè fi fọ ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ kò mọ́. Painstakingly. I am not the governor that will come and rubbish another governor. But tell any baby governor, you know me well. Tell any baby today governor that the way up is the way down. I was born in Ibadan. I grew up in Ibadan. Ibadan does not belong to anybody. And the next thing is for you to go and be sponsoring talks against me. They will fall together. They will fall together. I say boldly. And I want to tell Governor Makinde, he should put feeding bottle to the mouth of his dogs. I have made my marks in Nigeria. He has just started. If you have money, it's your own. The money in my own, it's not part of your own. I want to say very clearly, we were with Governor Makinde, for which it is by courtesy also. Because every state is independent of another. Ondo decides what they want. Ekiti decides by what they want. And it is obvious that we call you leader because you earn it, not because it's your title. Abi? Yes. I wasn't running away to fight Buhari. I didn't run away. I can't be in APC and be fighting Buhari. I cannot tell anybody, nobody can come and tell me what I don't want to do. I don't need Governor Makinde for anything. I'm not looking for anything. If God says there's still political ways, it is God, not man. I've gone past that level. I was governor at 42. He was governor at 51 or 52, 10 years after. So we started to enjoy life when we were young boys. Majority of people who are governor today are probably SA, commissioner, PA, but thank God for them coming up. I have not done anything to deserve insult from Governor Makinde. When Jegede SAN was contesting on those states, I stood by him. He's alive and he says it to everybody that I gave him financial support. I raised money for him. I came to public campaigns in those states. So I have no issue with Jegede. But if by association, Jegede feels I'm not important to him, no problem. And I'm not looking for anything, sir. And I remain in my enclave. If you need me, we'll work with you. This Southwest wants peace, and I want peace too. But we must know when we get to committees of leaders, who is a leader, who is a follower. Governor Makinde is my follower. Governor Makinde is my follower. There was no day that this former governor of Lagos State, no, Ambode or Sanwo-Olu, record me. There's no day Ambode or Sanwo-Olu has come out. Even Governor Wike has not come out to say that he's the leader of what is the former governor? Peter Odi. None of these people have said Tinubu, they are leaders of Tinubu. The fact that you are a governor does not translate to nothing. Respect begets respect. Respect begets respect. Even if we pack the whole of the Southwest ESCO for you, does it take away history that you are a small young man when we have stopped enjoying life? And to have a fish, I have fish. Our in the day because Tabati the bench, Poabe, so not again. I saw they are tired. Then is how. You see, they were all waiting to win on those states to come and be oppressing us. orí ọmọdé tó bá ní orí ẹyẹlé òní jẹ́ kó ẹyẹlé òní jẹ́ ó débẹ̀ o. I was the sole person that you saw in your election 4 years ago. Níbo náà ti wá dá àbádà sọ́run ọmọdé tó sọ pé òun máa tọ́nu ẹ̀ sí Gbàdàgì. Àbádà aṣọ ṣèmí wọ́n dá sọ́run ẹ̀hún kò lágbádá. Oníṣọ́ lè bẹ̀ kọ̀ǹbàtì sí Gbàdàgì. Ẹ jẹ́ ọ́sà o. Ẹgbẹ́ àwọn bàbá wọn ni jẹ́ o. Ẹ máa tàwọn àgàgù wọn jù mí lọ, mo dẹ̀ respect wọn lájọ sí gómìnà. Ẹ máa tàwọn àgàgù. Àgàgù is a very foremost leader. A senior governor. I was in their set. I'm Urumba. Mi ìṣẹ́gbẹ́ wọn sá o. Tó bá ní ká nítumọ̀, mi lè gbàgbọ́ ti gómìnà mọ́. Bọ́ mo lè tàpá. Mo lè sọ̀rọ̀ tó yẹ kó máa bá lórúkọ jẹ́ tó ní rí nǹkan kan fi tó ní rògùn fi ṣe. Kó má dé wa mọ́tò ẹ̀ lọ́bẹ̀ sá o. I have an audience in this country. Tó o bá ti kọjá yìí, abẹ́rẹ́ ti sọ̀sọ́kùsọ nípa ẹ̀. Abẹ́rẹ́ sí sọ̀tàn tí ò yẹ kó gbọ́dọ̀ yọ state. Ṣùgbọ́n gẹ́gẹ́ bí àgbàlagbà gbọ́dọ̀ túlé ká, àgbàlagbà gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ sọ pé dandan wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ wọlé dẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́ mẹ́ra họ. Ajagun ni o tó ra ogun ní mo já o. First tẹ̀lé ogun, second tẹ̀lé ogun, èmi rè báyìí o. Wọ́n rò pé máa lọ sí FCC mi ní padà dé. Kò sẹ́ni ológbò tó lọ lé ẹkùn tó pọ̀ ní akọni ni o. Ṣòkòtò lájọ wọ ìsá o. Ìbá mi rìkọ́dù kí ni wọ́n ẹ̀kẹ́ sọ fún Mákindé kó gbọ́ o. Ṣòkòtò kan lájọ wọ̀ yìí, ìbàntẹ́ òkè tó máa tú. Òkè ni tó máa tú. Ẹni tó bá ti gbẹ̀yìn dání kó fọgbọ́n máa gbé o. Àwọn tó ti ṣògùn sí Mákindé ti pọ̀. Kò jẹ́ kó gbọ́ tàwọn èèyàn tó ràn lọ́wọ́ mọ́. Wọ́n ti kọ́kọ́ lọ ẹ̀, àwọn aleluya ti kọ́kọ́ lọ ẹ̀. Wọ́n ti gbé lọ sórí awọ, wọ́n ti tà fún ìjọ, wọ́n ti tà fáyé. Kò lè mú mi láìra aleluya condition critical. Ẹni tó bá ti láìsàn lára tí ó tètè bọ̀, òun ló burú jù. Ayọ̀ Fáyọ̀ṣe lórúkọ mi o. Ayọ̀ Fáyọ̀ṣe òjòkó mọ́lẹ̀. Tá a bá ti sọ fún èèyàn pé dẹ́dẹ́ mẹ́ra họ, Èkìtì ayé àṣìgbọ̀n dọ́ra lọ́ra wò. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà, àṣùgbọ̀n kó dọ́ra lọ́ra wò. Rákẹ́ ìtòkò tó tẹ́lẹ̀, ọmọ tó mọ àṣìgbọ̀n, ọmọ tó mọ wò. Mo lè jẹ ọmọdé lójú o, ṣùgbọ́n máa gbà ní mí. Tó bá ṣàkíyèsí, ogun tí mo ti yà ó yẹ kán ti mú mi. Study dáadáa. Gbogbo ogun tó bá sọjọ́ pé mo ré pa ẹni, tí Buhari gbé mo ré pa ẹni, ẹ̀kẹta tó máa ṣáàjì mi sí kóòtù ni mo ń lọ mú bọ̀ ni. Ó bá ti mọ̀ tó wá sọ fún ẹ o, ṣùgbọ́n tó bá ti lè lọ forí kó jàkárí wò lá máa bẹ̀rù èyí o. Iṣẹ́ ayé la wà nínú ẹ̀ sá o. Má tọ́ mi o. Gbogbo ibi tó ń lọ nílọrin tó lọ ṣògùn nípa mi, àwọn mẹ́rin. Tápátá nítorí mi, Fáyọ̀ṣe kó tẹ́ kó kàbùkù. Nílọrin, wọ́n rò pé mi ò mọ̀. Sure. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ bí people of Ondo State.